Hey everyone, this is the Noble Artist here. It has been a few days since I made a video. I think it's been at least 3 days since my last video. No, it's been like 3 months. So yeah, there's just been a lot of stuff going on, and I am making this video to let you know that I am still alive. I should have done this a while back. Also, I am moving, so that's kind of a big thing on my plate right now. Right now, I am actually in the process of kind of organized. Ooh, whoa, blurry. Whoa. Whoa. Focus on my hands. Okay. So I'm in the process of going through this stuff and then just organize it. I'm probably gonna get rid of a lot of things just because I have so much stuff that I don't use. I just collect a lot of things. As you can see, my supply drawers are just full of random nickety-knacks that I found. That's more like the technology side of things. So yeah, I'm going to be going through all of this stuff, going through all this, just downsizing a lot, and then my room's a wreck, so I would show you, but it's embarrassing. It's rough. Just pulling everything out, going through it all, so yeah, I will be moved probably by the end of June, and then everything should be set up. I will definitely do a video in the process. I might actually bring back my vlog channel. I was thinking about doing that because I could post vlogs here and there, just random stuff that I do, Lego based, and then other things just to give you guys some content and whatnot. So I might be bringing that back, and yeah, I've been really busy with stuff, and especially with moving and then work, it's kind of the busy season, I guess. We had commencement or graduation, so yeah, I just had a lot of things pulling me away from the table, and I'm back. So I feel like I'm winded. I haven't made a video in so long that I can't talk 2 minutes straight without catching my breath. So anyway, these are just the two figures. This was like one of the last figures I made, this guard, and this is from the You Pick Guy paint that I haven't finished yet. He needs these two colors. I can't remember. I don't think this gun I made for it. I think this was just a gun I slapped on there. I'll give you, I mean, it's not finished at all. I'm probably 80% done, but I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek. So it has a sword, a sword on this one, and then I don't think this gun went with it. I'll have to go back and see what the original post was. But this was the figure they picked and then the colors they picked. So it is, I've been working on it, so I haven't been too lazy. But that's going to be done. And then I got some cool stuff I want to do with this blue stuff. It's actually called blue stuff. Oh, green stuff. I'm sorry, it's blue. I'm pretty sure it is called blue stuff. There we go, blue stuff. Alright, so I got some stuff in the works with that. And then, of course, this. And I got a bunch of other cool ideas. And that right there are some figures that I got that I'm going to do a series. I want to do, I think there's 20 or 25 figures of the same time frame, genre, however you want to say it. And I want to do a bunch of those. I also want to do another contest, a tournament battle royale with those figures. That will be, I'll show you that. I'll probably make a video once I get everything packed up and just everything's cleaner. I'll show you those figures. And then, yeah, I feel like I'm forgetting a lot of stuff. Yeah, so if you could, oh, alarm, you're ruining my video. Hold on, my alarm's going off. And I'm back. So, what was I saying? I lost my train of thought because that alarm, it threw me off my groove. So yeah, I still want you to leave comments and support the channel and all that good stuff. And I do apologize for not being around. But I have been checking from time to time, and it is encouraging to see that not everybody has left me. So that's good. I'm still, people still care. So I am going to do my hardest to get back into this as quickly as possible, and I am going to try to reply to some of the messages. It just takes a long time because my schedule's been really busy to sit down and just reply to everybody, so I haven't been able to do that. But so leave comments. I will get to everything as soon as I can. I still care about everybody. Thank you so much for the support. I would not be able to do this without the love and kindness of my fans. I really do appreciate it, and I do want to give you guys some more content. So just hang in there. Once I get moved, I will have everything back in action. The factory will be up and running, full steam ahead. I will definitely be trying to make at least 2 videos a week. I've been kind of doing like one a week. Back in the day, it was a little bit more than that, but anyway, gotta find a happy balance with jobs and all that good stuff. So I got another project, not project, but another thing in life that's happening, but I will explain that in a different video, just because it takes more time to explain. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did watch it, if you made it to the end, you're awesome, and stay awesome. And if you made other customs, let me know. Send me a link, or let me know in the comments below that you have customs, and I'll go check them out. Leave a comment. I enjoy watching other people's videos and seeing their creations. So if you use any of my techniques, that's awesome. Let me know how they turned out. And if you want to see any other tutorials on anything coming up, let me know about that, and I will try to get some more tutorials and how-tos and all that good fun stuff made to help y'all with your custom creations. So anyway, kind of rambling in this video. I just kind of threw it together. I'm winging it. This is all improv. So anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. It is Saturday. It is the weekend. Take care. God bless. If you like this video, hitchhike it. Don't forget to fist pound that subscribe button. Bam! It's gonna be right in the middle. And then if you are the first person to leave a comment on this video, I will leave a shout out down below into the comments, because you can't post stuff here anymore because it's lame. But yeah, anyway, take care. I will see you guys later. Bye.